I have sought so long what I had no need of, that I have found it just as I was seeking it. I have lost and wasted what I used to have, and I have gained nothing for which my friend would laugh. And a fool, when he does folly, thinks he does sense, and does not know himself until it goes badly for him. For I have removed myself from pleasure and from honor, and choice with her does not advance me at all. For she has my body and my heart and my worth, and it does not help me, nor do I turn elsewhere. Of joy she gives me great speed, and makes scarcity for me. I'll saw her great beauty and her courtesy. She has betrayed and deceived me with beautiful company. She has so stolen all my heart that I would never believe it. I love her more than myself, for which she reproaches me, and knowingly seeks my harm. For with her I find neither friendship nor pity, nor choice, nor any agreement. I cry mercy, and mercy does not help me. Crying mercy, I think I will die of pain. I cry with such humility for mercy every day. Mercy would do wrong if it did not help me. I have cried out so much for choice that it matters little to me. Since I have not found it with her, I believe it is dead. My lady has killed mercy and choice. Her sweet glance and her beautiful eyes undo them, with which she showed me such courteous semblance, that I thought I had more than the king of France. So it seems to me a heretic and a traitor, who puts a man in error after a fair semblance. Fair Lord, chastity, how I die of anger, for with fair semblance my evil enemy has wounded me, and she would not show me even so much goodness, that she would make me love a brother-in-law, with which I would live so long. For a needy man who has desire for love takes what he can get, and I am in such a balance, but I have hope in good amends, that she will help me from the pains of love, which should help her lover. Now I fear I speak great folly through my lightness, and I should be forgiven, for I do not know what to say. For I see myself completely under her guidance. Let her do her will with it, for she would finish it. Good lady, if it pleases you, I give myself to you, and if it does not please you, I do the same. For I know well that by no judgment do I have force over you. Great suffering comes support nor helper. Until I have passed the Rhone toward Lombardy, I will not have my heart content. However, I may stay here. I've been so long in province that I fear my lady will kill me, and she will honor me if she does it quickly. For I ought to have shame and fear, for I have been away from her so long. If such a sin were not hopelessness, I would be without doubt desperate. And she gives me nothing like a deceiver, and let her do with it what brings her honor. Eyes of mercy, not of choice. No one sees you whom you do not make joyful. Therefore I have placed in you firm trust, and all my heart and all my hope. And I make you my lady and my Lord, and give you my body with good heart and love. Farewell through your love, as long as I see chastity at my Lord.